Angry, feeling upset or mad about something. Angry, feeling upset or mad about something. Nervous, afraid or worried about something. Nervous, afraid or worried about something. Happy, feeling good and joyful. Happy, feeling good and joyful. Sad, feeling unhappy or sorrowful. Sad, feeling unhappy or sorrowful. Excited, very happy and eager about something. Excited, very happy and eager about something. Scared, afraid or frightened. Scared, afraid or frightened. Confused, not sure what to do or think. Confused, not sure what to do or think. Embarrassed, feeling shy or ashamed in front of others. Embarrassed, feeling shy or ashamed in front of others. Surprised, feeling something unexpected has happened. Surprised, feeling something unexpected has happened. Tired, feeling the need to rest. Tired, feeling the need to rest. Jealous, wanting what someone else has. Jealous, wanting what someone else has. Lonely, feeling alone or without company. Lonely, feeling alone or without company. Bored, not interested or feeling tired of something. Bored, not interested or feeling tired of something. Proud, feeling happy about an achievement. Proud, feeling happy about an achievement. Guilty, feeling bad about something you did wrong. Guilty, feeling bad about something you did wrong. Anxious, worried about something that might happen. Anxious, worried about something that might happen. Shy, not comfortable talking to others. Shy, not comfortable talking to others. Grateful, thankful for something. Grateful, thankful for something. Frustrated, feeling annoyed when things don't go your way. Frustrated, feeling annoyed when things don't go your way. Hopeful, feeling positive about the future. Hopeful, feeling positive about the future. Confident, believing in yourself. Confident, believing in yourself. Embarrassed, feeling ashamed in front of others. Embarrassed, feeling ashamed in front of others. Disappointed, feeling let down or not happy with results. Disappointed, feeling let down or not happy with results. Ashamed, feeling guilty or embarrassed about something wrong. Ashamed, feeling guilty or embarrassed about something wrong. Relieved, feeling relaxed after worry ends. Loving, feeling deep affection and care.